Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside pipe cleaning set, the model PRRS 15A3. Max pressure is 180 bar, max input temperature is 60 Celsius, length is 15 meters. Includes adapter for pressure washers from other manufacturers. Clears blocked pipes and drains without chemicals or detergents. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Connect it to my Parkside high pressure cleaner because it is compatible with all Parkside high pressure washers. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out and the manual. And there is the adapter for pressure washers from other manufacturers. Definitely you can use that if you've got other pressure washer. The manual, as I said, whoa, and there it is, 15 meters. It is a flexible hose with a kinning protection and high quality brass nozzle head. There it is. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 output holes for the water. Definitely I would like to see how it works and if it can clean well enough. We've got the successive markings and markering to indicate progress through the pipe. It is only one, I can see here. And how it works? Well, the backwards director nozzle pressure presses the hose automatically through the pipe, and that's how it can clean your pipe. And there we've got the connection for your high pressure washer. And we've gotten this flexible plastic. Definitely it helps a lot because many times at the connection the hose is breaking. Rubber around for sealing very well, no water leakage. Nice. I like it. For now. Well, let's move on, connect it and start the cleaning process. Now let's connect the high pressure hose at the trigger gun of the high pressure washer. Connecting by just press and rotate. And now let's check the pressure that it comes out from this nozzle. Whoa, that is a high pressure. It's so high, definitely it can clean all the pipes. Just check guys, every time that I'm pressing the trigger how it's moving the high pressure hose. It's trying to get out from my hand. And now let's insert it at the water sewage pipe. You need to make a correct unfold of the high pressure hose. That's how it will help you to work better. And in some cases the high pressure hose, it goes by himself inside, is trying to go further inside more and more. And just have it to your mind, every time you need to press on the trigger from the high pressure washer. And of course you can clean at your bathroom all the pipes. The high pressure hose is trying to go more inside. I can see the other end. Nice! I like it. Well guys, and you can use it in many pipes, just like that. You can clean all the pipes. It's so easy, and it costs only 25 euros. You can use it with all high pressure washers from Parkside and other manufacturers with the adapter. Nice. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.